Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best clothing hooks is probably one of the most underrated organizational tools in your home. From entryway to bedroom, these simple yet effective devices can transform cluttered spaces into havens of order. In this video, we'll dive into the world of clothing hooks, exploring different types, materials, and installation methods to help you find the perfect solution for your needs. Get ready to declutter and organize with the best clothing hooks. Number 5. Evob 3.4S Hooks, Stainless Steel Metal Hangers. Introducing the Evob S Hooks, the perfect solution for all your hanging needs. These hooks are designed to make your life easier and more organized. Made from high-quality stainless steel, they are built to last. The hooks are sturdy and can handle heavier loads, ensuring your items stay securely in place. These hooks are incredibly versatile. Use them in your kitchen, workshop, bathroom, or garden to hang a variety of items. The hooks are incredibly easy to use and install. Simply hang them up and start organizing. It's that simple. From kitchenware to gardening tools, these hooks can handle it all. They are ideal for hanging towels, bags, clothes, and more. Each pack includes 20 hooks, giving you plenty to get started. Get yours today and experience the convenience and organization they offer. What we like? These stainless steel hooks are designed for durability and versatility. They're perfect for hanging kitchenware, tools, or even garden supplies. If you need a simple, reliable solution for organizing various items around your home or workspace, you should consider these. What people say. The stainless steel feels solid and well-made, no bending or warping even when holding heavier items. They hold the weight without issue and make it easy to grab what I need while cooking. They fit nicely over my closet rod and make it so much easier to see and grab what I need without digging through shelves. Number 4. SKOLOO Wall Coat Rack, Modern Metal with 5 Hooks. This wall coat rack boasts a modern design that is both simple and stylish. It's built to last, ensuring it can handle your everyday needs with ease. This design makes it a great addition to any home. Crafted from stainless steel and aluminum alloy, this hook rail is built for durability. The hooks are securely screwed into the base, providing a strong and reliable hold. It can hold up to 30 pounds. The design of this coat rack focuses on both quality and safety. The hooks are wider and curved at the ends to prevent damage to your items. This ensures that your belongings are safe and secure. This wall-mounted coat rack is perfect for saving space. It offers multiple storage options for your coats, hats, towels, and more. It's a practical solution for keeping your space organized. This coat hook is ideal for various locations, including entrances, bedrooms, and kitchens. It comes with anchors suitable for different wall types. It's a versatile and convenient addition to any home. What we like? This coat rack combines modern aesthetics with robust functionality. It's built with sturdy metal and designed to save space. If you are looking for a stylish and durable solution for your entryway or bedroom, this is a great choice. What people say. These were easy to install and very sturdy. Over the winter, each of these held about 3 coats, a couple of hats, and a full-size umbrella, plus multiple dog leashes and harnesses. The build quality is solid, made from sturdy wood and strong metal hooks that feel like they'll last for years. Number 3. JQK SHR 100 PB Stainless Steel Folding Clothes Hanger. Introducing the JQK SHR 100 PB, a folding clothes hanger rack. It's crafted from T304 stainless steel, ensuring it's protected against corrosion and rust. This hanger rack is built to last. This innovative design allows it to swing 180 degrees, either left or right. This feature helps you hold your clothes and save space. It's perfect for any room. The electroplating black finish is not only smooth and beautiful but also very sturdy. It's designed to resist chipping, maintaining its clean look over time. This finish adds a touch of elegance. This mini-type hanger holder is ideal for use in bedrooms, bathrooms, and closets. It's designed to maximize space in compact areas. It's a practical solution for any home. The package includes all necessary hardware, an installation guide, and stainless steel screws. This makes assembling the JQK SHR 100 PB quick and easy. You'll have it set up in no time. What we like? This folding hanger rack is a fantastic space saver. Its 180-degree swing allows for flexible positioning, and it's made of stainless steel for durability. If you have limited closet space or want a discreet hanging solution, it's perfect for you. What people say. Sturdy and well-made. Easy to install. Look great and are very functional. Number 2. IBosins Silvery Double Coat Hooks. Introducing the IBosins Double Coat Hooks, made of high-quality zinc die-cast material. These hooks are designed to be both hard and sturdy, ensuring they can hold up to 35 pounds of weight. The hooks are rust-resistant and come with iron screws. They are perfect for hanging coats, scarves, bags, towels, keys, hats, and even Christmas decorations. These retro hooks are ideal for use in bathrooms, bedrooms, closets, and entryways. You can use them to organize your space and make items easy to find. Installation is a breeze with the included mounting screws. The package provides screws of 2 different lengths, allowing you to install them directly on a wall or on wooden surfaces. Each package includes 10 wall-mounted hooks and a total of 40 screws. It provides everything you need to get started right away. What we like. These heavy-duty dual-coat hooks offer both strength and convenience. The double hooks provide extra hanging capacity, and the included screws make installation a breeze. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install solution for coats, bags, or other items, you should consider this. What people say. Sturdy and well-made. Easy to install. Holds a lot of weight. Number 1. 50 sets sewing hooks and eyes closure. This package includes 25 sets of black hooks and eyes, and another 25 sets in silver. It's a complete set to meet your various needs for sewing projects. You'll have plenty to work with. The hooks and eyes come in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. The small ones measure 12.5 millimeters in length when closed, the medium ones are 15 millimeters, and the large ones are 17 millimeters. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these hooks and eyes are strong and sturdy. They are designed to last and withstand regular use. You can rely on them for your sewing projects. These hook and eye sets are incredibly easy to use and provide effective fastening. The 2 parts simply buckle together side by side. It's a simple yet secure closure. These closures are perfect for a variety of applications, including bras, bustiers, corsets, and other lingerie. They can also be used to fasten skirts, dresses, or pants. They are versatile and useful. What we like. This set of sewing hooks and eyes offers a variety of sizes and colors for your projects. They are easy to use and provide a secure closure for garments. If you are a sewing enthusiast or need a reliable fastener for clothing alterations, it's a must-have. What people say. Sturdy and well-made. Easy to install. Look great and are very functional. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.